wiring goes on here. We'll have street diesel, mod gas, too hot to farm, pro streets, and a lot more. Tim Wagner going to be close. They'll end up at 273 and 2. 273 and 2. Or 12,000 pound fuel farm class.
Thank you for watching this video. Please do us a huge favor and subscribe if you've not done so already. And if you can, please give us a nice comment and a thumbs up for the video. And also, we are trying to hit 1,000 subscribers really soon, so please help us out by sharing this channel with others that you think that might enjoy it. Thanks a lot.